Hey y'all, watch me slay my boyfriend's mother's hair. She is naturally curly and her hair is fine. Today I did convince her to go ahead and, wear it straight, get your little silk press on. Most of the time she has it curly, so, it was time to do something different for the holidays. And she needed a cut. That was the main reason. So right now I'm just sectioning off her hair, making sure that everything is nice and, consistent. So y'all see this little cut we got going on? It is tapered. I wanted to make sure it went with the shape of her head. And I also wanted to make sure it would look nice curly because she is going to wear her hair curly once, she decides that she's, over the silk press and wants to wash her hair again. And she want to see her beautiful curls. So right now I'm just making sure to get every piece of hair I can possibly get and make sure that her shape is consistent. Make sure you can see that nice taper. Make sure there are no lines and, lines of demarcation. When you're cutting hair, you really have to make sure you get like every piece of hair because it has to lay. You see what I'm doing right now? I'm making sure that it lays. And then I'm also checking for little hairs and, you have to cross-check yourself. So after all of that is done, you mold her underneath the dryer. Okay, so she is up from under the dryer. So now is the part where you just, you check your work. It's called cross-checking in the hair world. But yeah, you just check your work, go over your cut. You want to make sure that all the pieces of her hair is flowing right. Everything has a nice gradual consistency to it. You can see the taper in the back. You can see the shape. And you also want to comb the hair and just kind of like, move it in different directions so that you can see each piece of hair and where it's going to fall at. Cutting is something that you really cannot rush. You have to, cross-check and make sure that every piece of hair is sitting where it needs to sit. Because you don't want to, look at her hair when you all finish and see that there's all these pieces and stuff out of place. Like, no, we're not doing that. So, y'all, we got this Serenity Essentials hair oil. Yes, this can be used for silk presses. You just have to keep in mind that your consistency is what's going to make a difference with your silk press. Now, I did tell y'all at the beginning of the video that his mother has fine hair. So what I'm doing is making sure I only use a smidget of the product, and I only is putting the product on the ends of her hair. And I'm also focusing on the sides of her hair where it's shorter at, which is the edges. So if you have fine hair and you want to use this product, you can definitely use it for silk press, but make sure that you only use a little bit and you put it in the drier areas more so than anything else. And I like to focus on the edges and the ends when I put any type of product on the hair for a silk press. We got some shine going on. We got some body going on. And this is all from one product, which is the Serenity Essentials oil. Now, keep in mind, like I said, you do not have to put a bunch of product on the hair to get the results that you need, especially with fine hair. And you will get the shine. You'll get, all the benefits of the product if you use it the right way. If I was to use a whole bunch of product on her hair, it would not look like this. It wouldn't feel good. It just wouldn't give. This reveal was the funniest reveal, y'all. Look at her face. She was like, oh, okay, I'm feeling this. Because she couldn't really tell at first. But you see, look, that nod of approval. She like, oh, okay. Look, you see it, don't play. My angles are so off, y'all. Please forgive me. I'm learning. Forgive me. But y'all see it.